Oh, hey.
Hey!
Hey you guys, so in today's video, I'm so excited to be filming this video because we're gonna be taking thirst traps for our man. Not our man. You can take thirst traps for your man. Don't take thirst traps for my man.
This is mine!
If you don't want your man to ever be bored of you and you always want to keep the relationship spicy, randomly send him a thirst trap. I promise you, he will buy what's in your cart right now. But we all know when it comes to men and sending thirst trap pictures, they really don't care what our face look like because of the thirst trap. So let's make this process a lot more fun for us. Let's get ready, let's use our makeup and take pictures. It's like a cute little photo shoot. So we're gonna go for sexy but effortless because you don't wanna do a full glam. You want to look good, but you don't want to look overdone. I already prepped my skin with skincare earlier. To prime, I'm gonna try this LYS Natural Finish Setting Spray. Oh. I know we usually start with our base makeup, but today we're gonna do our lips first. Because today we're gonna be using the new Huda Beauty contour stains. It's best to use these products without any makeup on your face. Foundation, powders, it tends to clog the applicator. Another thing about this product, on the packaging is gonna show an arrow pointing down, and that reason is for storing it down this way. You wanna make sure all the juices are coming through on the applicator tip. I'm gonna start off with soft brown first because I have warm brown but it's a lot darker. So I'm gonna just start out with this color first. I don't know what it is with this specific color, soft nude. I have trouble with this one, but all my other contour stains I don't have a problem with. See, it's starting not to show. It's so weird because some days I have good days with it and sometimes I don't. And I keep it stored like this all the time. I'm debating if I should exchange it and try another one, but if it happens again, I'm just not gonna get soft nude anymore and I'm gonna have to work with toasty brown. Another color that I absolutely love is baby pink. This one is a very, very light pink. And I love this because it just gives you like your lips, but better. Now that our setting spray is nice and absorbed, we're gonna go in with base makeup. I'm gonna try this LYS foundation brush. I'm using a light layer of my Patrick Ta foundation. This is my absolute favorite foundation when I want to look really, really good for any occasion. Like if it's taking pictures, if I'm going out, I want to look nice and natural, but I want to look cunty at the same time. I like this brush, it's really nice. It gives like medium coverage, but with this foundation, because this foundation is more of a light to buildable, it just evens me out so naturally. Like it just looks like I have skin on, but it just looks like I have skin on. Bitch, calm down, Chainsaw Massacre. So now to color correct any little areas that the foundation couldn't cover, I'm going in with my Hourglass concealer in Teak. I'm just gonna spot conceal any areas where I may have redness or a dark spot. And just to make everything easier and faster, I'm gonna use that same foundation brush. Going back to what I was talking about in the beginning, how you don't want your man to get tired. I feel like doing little things like that in a relationship, and especially if you guys been in a relationship for a while, things can feel the same after a while, because once you find your partner, hold on, I'm gonna use my Say concealer in number 14. Once you find your partner, you build a life with them. They share their life with you. That whole honeymoon phase is kind of out the window when you've been together for a while. In the honeymoon phase, you're just trying to make time for each other, and there's nothing holding y'all back from seeing each other. But when you do choose to be with this person, you're like, okay, you're gonna be in my future, you're gonna be my baby daddy, all this shit. Now I gotta go to work, now he has to go to work, we gotta make this money together to build a family, to take care of our family. Sometimes we, oh my god, I'm so sorry, this was the Hourglass concealer in Pearl, by the way. So yeah, sometimes we get distracted by everyday life and we forget to do little things for our significant others, and that can be looked at as neglect. So just always keep the relationship spicy and fun. And on top of that, you shouldn't be the only one trying to do it either. It's like, okay, you don't want no thirst traps, but I don't know, buy a bottle, buy some whipped cream, some chocolate, some strawberries. I'm so late to this Hourglass concealer brush. Like everybody was talking about this on TikTok and I gave no fuck about it because I have millions and millions of brushes and I'm just like, what's so special about this brush? It's just like every other concealer brush. Wrong. Bitch, this shit is fire. I really, really like it a lot. It blends out the concealer so freaking fast. Okay, we're gonna bronze up. Where did it go? Where did it go? So we want to look nice and sun-kissed and bronzy. Why my hair keeps doing this shit? Yes, bitch. I know my car insurance is due. Suck a penis. Always trying to remind me when I have automated, like, get the f out of my face, Geico. Oh yeah, Geico, if you watching this, lower my insurance. Cause why is it so hot? So I'm using this Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt Bronzing and Shaping Serum in dark. I'm bronzing with this because, again, it's very lightweight, skin-like, it's not too heavy. We don't want to do too much, remember that. You see? Just rewind all the way to the beginning and just see how I look now. I look like I got a little something on, but it doesn't look super heavy. I need blush. I'm gonna use my Patrick Ta palette. This palette is disgusting. You can't get this palette anymore because it was limited edition, but he does have all of these shades in a single pan. I'm gonna use She's Vibrant and She's a Doll. So it's these two right here. You wanna add blush to give you a nice, like, flushed look. Like, let's set our face. Let's do this very lightly as well. Do I wanna... I almost fell off the chair. I'm gonna try and set my face a little different. We're trying to go really natural and I don't want too much coverage on my face. We're gonna use setting powder first, and then if I do need it, we're gonna go in with pressed powder. Blend out those creases. We don't wanna see any wrinkles. I'm using my Makeup by Mario setting powder in number 3 neutral. When I tell you I love this Makeup by Mario powder, I bought it in another color. When it comes to my laugh lines, I really like to blend that out and make sure I have the tiniest amount of product in that area because I crease so bad. And the only reason why I'm setting is because since we're gonna be taking pictures, you don't want to look overly shiny because that can emphasize a lot of texture. And I set over my brows as well. I don't know if you can see that I'm looking a little ghostly in this area. I like to take a translucent powder that's more my skin tone just to tone it down. This is a mini Fenty powder in Nutmeg. This powder is so freaking nice. I'm gonna go in with a mineralized setting powder to just kind of, I don't know. I just need a pressed powder in my makeup routine. I just feel like it looks weird. It just gets rid of any ashiness or like flashback. So, ooh, okay. I bought a new Morphe bronzer brush. I bought this when I went to Ulta with my friends when we had like a little girl day. If you haven't watched that vlog, please do. It was super cute. And I caved and bought one of these brushes from Morphe because the shape of it just looks so freaking cool. I feel like this is the perfect bronzer brush. How? Oh my god, let's see. Yeah. Ooh. It gives you just that sharp line. Oh my god, this is perfect if you have baby hair. This is so perfect when your hair is already done and you gotta go in those crevices because it's nice and flat and you don't get your baby hairs dirty with bronzer. Ah, perfect. I love this so much. I'm just mixing the bronzer and the powder together. Is it just me, or do you guys feel like when you take pictures, your nose looks bigger in pictures? So that's why I be like contouring the f out of my nose. We're using a lot of bronzer today. Bronzer is the star of this look. So we're gonna take a blending eyeshadow brush. This one's from e.l.f., right? Oh no, this from Sonia Kashuk. I got this from Target. Wing this out. I'm using I'm using 2 Give Beauty Brows pencil. I'm using, what the f, bitch? Like, I haven't done a makeup tutorial in mad long. I don't know how to talk anymore. And what the hell is this? Why is my hair doing this today? My hair is being a bitch. Let me go put my water on this. Okay, I've been using 2 Give Beauty pencils. Her brow products are just so good. I know this question may be so TMI, but what do you guys like do to get in the mood when you're like taking like sexy pictures and stuff like that? Like, what is it that y'all do? I'm your nasty dancer. I can't take pictures in silence. I have to play music. Don't mind how the brows look right now. Woo! I look insane, bitch. A concealer, woo! I didn't think I was gonna like it because of the foundation. I think the foundation was like too oily and it just separated way too much. Like, yeah, I know you have to shake it and stuff, but it's a beautiful, creamy, lightweight texture, very natural coverage. Let me clean up these brows off camera because I'm getting pissed off. Do I not have a blush brush with me? I'm gonna just use the bronzer blush. I'm gonna go in with the same colors but in powder form, and I'm gonna hug it right here. Dancing for money. I'm using my Kofi liner. This one is so good. It's just a black gel liner. Put a little bit in the waterline and try to do this before it dries, so do one eye at a time. Woo! I got these two lashes from Sephora. They were on sale, so I'm like, why the f not? I got the Flutter and Stare and I got the Fluffed and Full. I could barely see this one. I think I'm gonna go with Fluffed and Full. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of duo glue on the lashes. Where the f I was ready. I had everything in front of me. So while that's drying, I'm just gonna apply some mascara. I'm gonna put the other lash on and be right back. Right now, I'm just wiping off whatever residue I may have. So while, oh my God, what the fuck? Toasty brown now. This one's a lot darker than soft nude. I'm gonna try and go very lightly. A little bit of rosewood in the outer corners. Cute, look at Mac cute. Look at Mac cute, whatever. Laneige Strawberry Sprinkle Glaze. Now to melt everything into the skin, I'm gonna use my One Size setting spray, the powder melt. I want everything to look like skin, like I said. Oh my God, I'm gonna fuck up my So I'm about to take these pictures. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a beautiful positive comment down below. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys soon.